Did you know that a star could explode in a spectacular event next week? T Coronae Borealis, or the Blaze Star, is a fascinating recurrent nova located about 3,000 light-years away in the constellation Corona Borealis. This binary system features a white dwarf and a red giant, and it has a history of dramatic eruptions roughly every 80 years. The last two major outbursts were in 1866 and 1946, when TCRB became so bright it was visible to the naked eye. Scientists are eagerly watching, as we might be on the brink of witnessing another incredible explosion. Imagine the sky lighting up with the brilliance of a star going nova. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.